back to Stevia Select. Hey, today I wanted to share with you a recipe that came from one of our customers. We thought it was absolutely fabulous and we thought you would like it too. It was her recipe of chocolate chai tea. So we've already got our chai tea brewing. I'm going to take out my tea bag here, squeeze it out. Just going to throw it by the side here. And of course we're going to add our almond milk. Chai tea's got to be creamy, right? So we put a little bit of chai or almond milk in there. And then we use our chocolate stevia. Shake it up. She said she'd like to add a couple drops, so we'll do 5 drops. That gives it the chocolate flavor. It doesn't quite make it sweet enough for me, so I'm going to sprinkle just a few dashes of our natural stevia powder. Has no fillers, so I don't need very much. Just a few little shakes will do. Stir that up. Oh, I can smell the cinnamon and the yummy spices. Love chai tea. Try this at home. If you love chocolate and chai, you're going to love the combination. Check out our Facebook page and our website for more recipes, and we will see you then.